Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3. You have to start by open settings and you need to enable developer options. If you don't know how to do this, at this channel we have video just for your phone. After you enable it, we can go to the settings, then system, and right here we need to scroll down, at least on stock Android, I have it at the bottom, developer options, enter here, and right here you need to find HD audio. You can also use a search, and you can write HD audio here, and right here, as you can see, it's located at the developer option. Tap at this line, or you can just scroll down. So right here we have HD audio, and to disable it you need to tap on time at this slider if this slider have colorful background. To enable it you need to also tap on time at this slider, but if the slider have empty background. And after that you can change Bluetooth audio codecs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!